Oops. I finally stopped recording.
Oh! Look at this! Guys, look at this. Oh. It's not
Shut up, fan.
wait, you're still recording? Oh, you just started.
Started.
Hey guys, see this? Don't mind that. Take what you're doing. But I already gone to the second time. This is gross.
Wait.
You guys can see the whole thing.
We have to do something.
Wait. Okay, it's quite fun to watch this. But it's still gross. Still gross. I'm just like talking to the fence there without the shit.
That's the last one. And we are gonna check out our house later.
House tour.
Yeah, our house.
Don't show the front door. Let me go.
Yeah, that's correct.
The look for this girl. Whatever. So, yeah. By the way, this is fake. Bye bye. Bye.
Wait, we are gonna check out our house, you idiot.
Oh, pause it. Pause.
No, we are not gonna pause.
Wait. Wait. Let it. It's still there.